While hunting, a graceful serval encounters a poisonous snake. The snake immediately coils, ready to strike, but its attacks are in vain. The serval dodges each time with incredible speed. Its long legs straighten out like a spring. Servals have much faster reactions than snakes, which allows them to skillfully dodge each deadly attempt. The serval does not simply dodge. With quick, clawed strikes, it hits the snake on the head. The snake, overwhelmed by the serval's precision and speed, is defeated. The graceful serval wins and is rewarded with a delicious dinner.